Hello everyone, you are welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are in search of how to make huge and much profit in soap making, you are on the right path. Stay back and watch this video. Take note of every step that is done in this video. It's well explanatory, and at the end of it you will see that truly you can make huge profit with your soap making. Okay, let's dive into it and let's see it. Okay, I'll be using this oil, and this is the PKO oil I'll be using. The PKO is 300 grams, and then I will be combining with another oil. So I'm using two different types of oil to produce this. Okay, and the second one is the tallow oil, you can see. So I mix both the two together. Okay, please always make sure your oil is a bit warm, okay, to avoid thick trace. Okay, so I mix the oil together. Let it be well mixed. Okay, and then if today is your first time of coming across my video, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it. Okay, I haven't mixed the oil together. I'm pouring this white color. I've already mixed it with a little of the oil before, so that it will easily mix well. Okay, I took note that it's not as white as I desire, so I still made some of the color, and I still pour some again to make it more. Okay, if you look at the plastic, you see there are lumps there, so that's why I did this gently before pouring into the main oil. Okay, so you have to really mix it, if not the lumps will stay in your soap. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, you can see the oil is still a bit warm, and then that's what I'm checking to make sure it's still a bit warm to avoid thick trace. Okay, so I will mix it like this for some time. Don't forget to join me on my online classes. You are welcome, or you reach me on my display phone number. Okay, and this is pre-soaked caustic soda. Okay, I've soaked it. That should be about 77 grams of caustic soda. I soak it in the water, and then I have 10% of the oil in the for sulfate, that's sodium sulfate. I'm pouring into it, so you can just pour it instead of pouring it separately. You pour it together. Okay, and then you just mix. Make sure it's mixed. I don't know why the sulfate refuses to dissolve quickly. Okay, all the same, just try as much as possible to make sure both of them are mixed together. Okay, the solution is ready. With this method, you are bound to make profit in your soap making. Okay, so it's time to mix both the oil and the lye together. So you mix it and then turn it. Keep turning it. Okay, you can see this is what we call batter in soap making. When the lye and the oil are going through saponification, you can see when we mix them, it's like pap. If you take pap, or you like custard. And then, so because of the pattern I want to put there, I took part of the batter to color it. So I put it, and I put it in I put color in it. Okay, to just give it a design. So I continue mixing my oil, and then I'm be using improvised mode. Okay, don't disturb yourself. You don't have the special mode, you don't have the cutter, you don't have this. Use what you have to take off, and as you continue, you perfect it. So this is the batter in the mold, ready to dry, but because of the design I still want to make on it. Okay, I just needed it to stay for some time Then before I start pouring the colored butter on it, it's just to make sure to just give it a design, at least to make your do something special, just do something new, so that at least yours will be an exceptional in the market. Just do something new. So I just decided to design the top with the colored. You can use any color you want. You can use more than one color. You can use one color just to make it different. Just to make it different. Okay, I'm shaking the mold so that the soap, the batter will enter every aspect of the mold. Okay, don't forget to join my online classes and give this video a thumbs up, so that in the classes we talk more on one-to-one. Every question you have will be handled there, and then of course we enter into the advanced and the master class in it, how to become a soaper, a pro soaper, a big time soaper. Oh, okay. Thanks so much for staying till now. You can see how the beauty of the soap is coming out, looking like even cake, looking like choppable cake. Okay, so I haven't decorated all this thing. They to be left to saponify very well. Okay, in my online class, I'll be teaching you how to calculate your chemical perfectly, so that it will not be too less and it will not be too much. Okay, so just give it a little shake to make sure that every of the batter inside very well. Just give it a little shake, yes, so that you can have a smooth edges by the time it's dry. Okay, so what are we doing now? We keep it to stay for the next 12 to 24 hours. Wow, our soap is ready. It's ready to be unmolded. So you remove it from the mold, bring it out, and then let's begin to go cutting it. Very, very strong, very strong. If you need your soap to be strong and last, you need to join our online class there. They complain of your soap melting. They complain of your soap finishing quickly. They complain of your soap shrinking. Will come to an end as we go through the explanation together in our group. Okay, so you can see it now. Don't say you don't have special mode. Use the mode you have. And so there's no cutter, don't worry. Just start somewhere. Instead of being discouraged because of you don't have this, you don't have that, just start somewhere. Okay, if the cutting is not smooth, you can still smoothen it. Yes, you use your scraper to smoothen it, and then by the time I've completed this, I'll be selling each of them for about 200 naira, and I know the gain I'm making in it. Just follow this recipe. If you are doing a bigger one, just multiply the recipe without much. This one is just only 500 grams. So if you want to do 1 kg, multiply by 2 kg, multiply by 4, and so on and so forth. You can see it. You can see how the soap is coming out. I'm sure not everybody has this kind of soap in the market, and so yours can be unique. You can see do such beautiful kind of soap so that your people are looking for you, not when you're looking for people again. The people are looking for you to buy from you so that they can sell and make. If you have found this video helpful, if you have gained 1 or 2 things there, why not give it a thumbs up? Subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this, and you will know that your time will be well spent. I appreciate every time you have spent, even till now. I say thank you so much, and see you on my next video.